In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable location on Google Chrome. If websites like maps, weather services, or food delivery apps aren't showing accurate results, it's often because Chrome is blocking location access. Let's quickly turn that on and make sure you stay in control of your privacy. Start by opening Google Chrome. Look at the top right corner of the window for the three dots, which is the More menu. Click that to open the menu, then choose Settings. This takes you to Chrome's main settings page. On the left side, find the section called Privacy and Security. This area controls what information websites can use and how Chrome protects your data. Click Privacy and Security, then select Site Settings. Site Settings is where you can manage things like camera, microphone, notifications, and location. Scroll until you see location and click it. This page is dedicated to how Chrome handles requests for your location. To allow websites to ask for your location, turn on the option that says Sites can ask for your location. With this enabled, Chrome won't share anything automatically. Instead, the next time a site needs your location, you'll see a small prompt near the address bar asking whether to allow or block access. Choose Allow only for sites you trust and when it's clearly needed, like finding nearby stores or getting local weather. While you're on the location page, you'll also see lists of sites that you've previously allowed or blocked. If something isn't working or you clicked the wrong option earlier, you can remove a site from these lists. After you remove it, revisit the site and Chrome will ask again, giving you a fresh choice. A quick tip: if you'd rather keep things private by default, you can leave the prompt on and simply decide case by case. That way, no site gets your location unless you explicitly say yes. And if you change your mind later, return to this same location section to review and adjust permissions. That's all you need to enable location on Google Chrome. Open the menu, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings, Location, and turn on Sites can ask for your location. From there, respond to prompts only when it makes sense for you. If a site still can't detect where you are after you allow it, try refreshing the page or check your computer's system location settings to make sure location services are turned on. Thanks for watching, and now you're set to share your location with confidence and control.